Welcome to Raval Online Classes. I am Vinita Gogia from Raval Convent School. In this session, we are going to study an important writing skill, diary entry. This writing skill is the part of English syllabus of class 9th. A diary entry is a section of writing that has been organized by date. The entries within your diary are how you organize the thoughts, feelings, and opinions. They break up your diary into smaller pieces. Think of them like chapters of a book. They can be as short or as long as you want. Now the question is, what to write in a diary? It would be very easy if you follow a routine. Start with the morning, describe how it went, and do not leave out any detail. If you have a special grudge against somebody or someone, have no fear in expressing it. Move on to the afternoon, then the evening, and finally the night. Always say good night in the end and promise to tell more later. The best time to write diary entry is the night time. Try to write your diary at night because in that way you can describe the entire day and schedule. There is no point writing a diary when you wake up because the only thing you can write about is your dreams. The steps for writing a diary entry. Open with a general sentence describing the day or momentary feelings. You may mention an anecdote, how you feel about it, how it might affect or has affected you. Conclude with final remarks or future course of action. One thing to remember while writing a diary entry, that is, to lie is bad, but to lie to one's own self is worst. So you must be honest and truthful while pouring your thoughts and feelings into a diary. Understand the diary as a living creature, your best friend, silent confessor or witness. Trust your diary with anything, even your biggest secrets. Do not write bluff. Always keep in mind that creativity, imagination, and expression in diary writing are tested. You should write as if you have really been a part of the situation. The diary should always be written in the first person, and one does not write about things experienced on a daily basis. Only matters of some significance are recorded in the diary. The format of the diary entry may be: first you will write day, date and time, and then the salutation. Salutation may be Dear Diary, or you may give a name to the diary to make it a more human form like Dear Kitty. Or you can just leave this part altogether. You may not write the diary, write the solution in diary and the salutation in diary entry. Then come to the most important part, that is the body of the diary entry, and that in it you will write what happened, how you felt. You should keep the language simple and you should always use first person. You should always write diary entry in first person. In the end, you can end the diary with good night or bye for now, or you just don't put anything here. This ending may or may not be included in diary entry. Now, here are some features of a diary entry. You have to make sure that all these should be included in your writing. The first most important feature is date. You always need to have a date in your diary because when you are older and you see that diary entry, you will never know what day it was if you did not write it. The second thing you will write is the introduction. Every diary has to start with an introduction. It tells you what you are writing about. Then the main thing you will write about are the events. You should not write a diary if you are not going to write anything in it or doodle in it. Otherwise, it would not be a diary. The diary should be a written record of some special events. Feelings are the most important part of diary. In any part of your diary, you must include your feelings in it. The diary entry should be ended with conclusion. All diaries have a conclusion. It means an ending. It switches from the past tense to the future and you can include I at extra. Now let's do an exercise related to diary entry. Today you visited a zoo which made you sad about the plight of the caged animals. So you decided to write a diary entry about your feelings. Write the entry in about 100 to 120 words about your feelings. The answer for this exercise may be written as: first you will write the day, then date and time, and after then you will start writing the diary. You may start with the salutation like Dear Diary, or you just start with the body of the letter or the content itself. Now, here the diary is started with the content itself and there is no salutation here. Today our class teacher took us to a zoo. I was quite excited about the trip because I love animals. However, it turned out to be one of the saddest experiences of my life. We saw many birds and animals in the zoo. Alas, they did not look happy in their cages. There were colorful parrots and lovebirds. They looked sad in their small enclosures. I am sure they missed the blue skies. The plight of the lion, tiger, and leopard was not much better either. They were kept inside tiny cages. They are well fed and they also receive medical attention whenever they show sign of illness, yet they look tired and unhealthy. I guess that is a result of their sedentary life. They get absolutely no opportunities to walk or run. They pace their small cages up and down looking restive and angry. I am not saying that zoos are bad. They do protect many endangered species. Still, it hurts me to see wild animals caged for our entertainment. I know I cannot do anything for them, but I cannot help feeling bad for them. I don't think I will visit a zoo again. Now it is ended with the signature Amaya, and this is also optional. It is not mandatory that you should put the signature. You may or may not write the name in the end of the diary entry. I hope now you have understood the topic well and have enjoyed this video. Thank you.